Welcome to this two-bedroom townhouse for sale in Gilroy Park, Port Elizabeth, Eastern Cape, South Africa for R775,000. We offer you this spacious two-bedroom townhouse corner unit situated in the popular suburb of Gilroy Park. Remote access control, with electric fence around the complex. It offers 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, open-plan kitchen with ample packing space. Spacious double-volume living and dining room area leads onto an enclosed private garden with a Wendy house for extra garden storage space. The secure complex is dog-friendly, walking distance to Walker Drive shopping center and major bus routes, schools, restaurants within 1 kilometer to 5 kilometers. Pre-approval done within 24 hours, subject to all relevant documentation in hand: pay slip, ID copy, proof of address. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.